Well, we were already with another financial advisors, but we felt like we had to chase them all the time and they weren't very clear. So we were getting concerned about our retirement as we're getting to that age. So actually our son put us onto Infinite Wealth through Facebook, and we went to your evening workshop, and yeah, we were just really happy with what we heard and the service that we've had for that. Well, yeah, just the fact that you guys were
explaining it more
clearly,
simple terms. Yeah. That's all it
and
was.
we could relate to all the examples that he gave as well, so we didn't feel like we were the only ones that didn't know. That's what we found through the workshops, that it wasn't just us. He thought it was just us not knowing. So the knowledge was so great for us in knowing that we are not alone. There is many people out there like that, and he just did everything in a simple way that we could understand. Yeah.
Definitely.
Much more confident.
Yes.
We feel like we're a lot more knowledgeable,
definitely.
and we feel safe and secure, and knowing that we can ask you guys
Silly questions, anything.
and not make us feel silly by answering them. You know, you always.
Even the other place we were at was I don't know, it was just so sterile. It was just everything was clean.
Yeah.
Sort of, you looked, after wanted to ask a question and thinking, really, you're asking that question? But hey, we've asked so many silly questions, and Rex and everyone else is all happy to answer it.
Light-hearted and warm, and I don't know, we just feel very comfortable. We really do.
It's a very comfortable place to
and
get
we're
business
happy
with.
to recommend to other people because we know the experience we've had. Yeah.
Good.
We feel safe.
Yes, very safe.
We feel safe. We feel like we're in, we've got a plan that we can afford to get to where we want to get, and our goal is definitely there.
Yeah.
Definitely.
It's going to be closer.
Yeah.
Yes, yes, and we have.
Yeah, we have and we will
Definitely, yes.
continue.
Yeah.
Definitely. So thank you, Tim, Rex, and
Everyone
that
everyone.
has been on the team and making our journey so much more easier.